Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your messages disappearing on iPhone. Okay, so let's go to the settings. Let's go to settings. Then in settings, you should go to apps, then messages, and now in messages, scroll down to message history, and you'll find keep messages. Make sure that it's set to forever, otherwise they will just disappear. Now the next thing is make sure that your messages are backed up and synced with iCloud. So go to your Apple account at the top, then go to iCloud, and now go to messages. Now make sure that messages here are enabled, and also make sure that keep messages is set to forever here, and then you may need to click on sync now. If this didn't help, then you may need to simply restart your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, and then sliding to power off, waiting for 30 seconds, and then pressing and holding on the power button to turn the phone back on. If this didn't help, then you may need to update your iPhone by going to General, then Software Update, and make sure that if there is an update available to install it. Now the last thing is going back to apps, messages, and make sure that iMessage here, try disabling it, waiting for half a minute, then enabling it back on. Then go to send and receive, wait a moment until it loads, and then make sure that for receiving iMessages that your phone number is selected, and for starting new conversations also your phone number is selected. And I think that should help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.